Good morning all. Being a part of CSM, today we are going to discuss about three different types of operators. One, increment operator. Two, decrement operator. Three, bitwise operator. We will see one by one. First of all, we will discuss the definition. That is, operators are the predefined symbols of C library, and it is used to perform logical as well as mathematical operations to the operands. These are various types of operators in C programming language, such as arithmetic operators, logical operators, bitwise, increment or decrement operators, etc. We will see mainly increment, decrement and bitwise operators. First we will go with increment operator. I will change the color. Increment operator. Increment operators are the unary operators used to increment or add one to the operand value. The increment operand is denoted by double plus symbol, that is plus plus. It has two types, pre-increment and post-increment operators. First one is pre-increment, then post-increment. We will see about pre-increment here. The pre-increment operator is used to increase the original value of the operand by 1 before assigning it to the expression. Which means, we will take the syntax, x is equal to plus plus a. Observe this carefully. In the above syntax, the value of operand a is increased by 1 and then a new value is assigned to the variable b. Understood? In this above syntax, the value of operand a is increased by 1 and then a new value is assigned to variable b. We will see an example program to understand this carefully. Program to use, example 1. I'll change the color. Program to use the pre-increment operator in C. First of all, I will start with predefined hash include stdio.h. I will be using the clear screen function. For that, I have to use the header file console input output hash include conio.h. This means console input output, standard input output. Then I will define the main function, and I will take three variables, int x comma y comma z. Then I am going to use the printf function for taking the input from the user. Printf input the value of x. Then I have to scan the value by using the format specified as %d and x. Then printf for y also I have to do the same thing. Input the value of y for scanf %d and y. Printf like this for z also. Input the value of z, then scan %d and z. Now I am going to use the increment operator, that is pre-increment operators, plus plus x, plus plus y, plus plus z. Then I have to use the printf function to know the updated value of the x. Okay. printf slash n the updated value of x is percentage d comma x. Like this for y also. Printf slash n the updated value of y is percentage d comma y. Printf slash n the updated value of z is percentage d comma z. Then I have to use return 0 because I use the main function and in the type of int. Okay. Return 0. The output will be like this. It's going to ask input the value of x. I'm inputting the value as 10. Then it's going to ask input the value of y. I'm going to get the value 15. Then input the value of z. I'm going to get the value 20. Then it is showing the output as the updated value of x is 11. The updated value of y is 16. The updated value of z is 21. Okay. Now we successfully completed the program. Then go for compilation. After that we have to run the program and to see the output. Okay, we have completed the pre-increment operator. Then we will go for post-increment operator. Post-increment operator. The post-increment operator is used to increment the original value of the operand by 1 after assigning it to the expression. The syntax will be like this. Syntax x is equal to a plus plus. This means the value of a is going to assign first to the x, then the value of a is incremented by 1. I hope all of you understood. In the above syntax, the value of operand is assigned to the value x after the value of a is incremented by 1. We will see an example program for this, for post increment operator. Example 2. Program to use the post increment operator in C. Preprocessor director we have to use #include stdio.h. Then have to use main function. Main. Now I am going to specify 3 variables. Okay. The thing is not working right now. I think what happened to its pen. Okay. Int x comma y comma z comma a comma b comma c. I used 6 variables for this. Then I will use the function printf to take the input from the user. Input the value of x. Then I am going to use the function scanf percentage d comma and x. Like this for y also. Input the value of y. Scanf percentage d comma and y. Printf for z also. Input the value of z. Scanf percentage d comma and z. We have completed the printf and scanf functions. Then we will go for incrementation. A is equal to x plus plus, b is equal to y plus plus, c is equal to z plus plus. Observe carefully. Here the value of x is assigned to a, then the value of x is going to increase. First the value will be assigned, then the increment operation occurs. Okay, then we go for printf. The updated value of x is %d, comma x. Printf, the updated value of y is %d, comma y. Printf, the updated value of z is %d, comma z. Return 0. Return 0. The output will be like this. You see the output. Input the value of x. I am going to input the value 10. Input the value of y. I am going to input the value 15. Input the value of z. I am going to input the value 20. Then the output will be the updated value of x is 11. The updated value of y is 16. The updated value of z is 21. It gets updated to 11, 15 gets updated to 16, 20 gets updated to 21. Till now we have seen the increment operator. Then we will go for decrement operator. Decrement operator. Decrement operator is the unary operator which is used to decrease the original value of the operand by 1. The decrement operator is represented as the double minus symbol, that is like this. It has two types, pre-decrement and post-decrement operator. We will see first pre-decrement operator. The pre-decrement operator decreases the operand value by 1 before assigning it to the mathematical expression. In other words, the original value of the operand is first decreased and the new value is assigned to the other variable. We will see the syntax right now. Syntax will be, change the pen. Syntax b is equal to minus minus a. Got it? In the above syntax, the value of operand a is decreased by 1 and the new value is assigned to the variable b. The value of syntax, in the above syntax, the value of operand a is decreased by 1 and then a new value is assigned to the variable b. We will see an example. Till now we have completed 2 examples, right? We will go for third example. Example 3. Program to demonstrate the pre-decrement operator in C. We will use pre-processor directive #include stdio.h. Then I will use the main function int main int x comma y comma z. I am going to use 3 variables. Then I will use the printf function for taking the input from the user. Input the value of x. I am going to use the scanf function to take input from user printf input the value of y, scanf percentage t comma address of y ampersand y. Okay, then we'll go for z printf slash n input the value of z, scanf percentage t comma and z. Now we are going to use the decrement operator. Minus minus x, minus minus y, minus minus z. These are the decrement operators. Actually, the compilation will be of line by line. That means the value which is present before is need not to be present after the compilation. So printf the updated value of the x is percentage t comma x. Printf the updated value of y is percentage t comma y. Printf slash in the updated value of z is percentage t comma z, return 0. We'll see the output now. Output is like this. Input the value of x. I am going to input the value 5. Input the value y. I am going to input the value 6. Input the value z. I am going to input the value 7. Then the updated value of x is 4. The updated value of y is 5. The updated value of z is 6. 4, 5, and 6. It got decreased by 1. It got decreased by 1. It got decreased by 1. This is how pre-decrement operator works. Then we will go for post-decrement operator. Post-decrement operator. Post-decrement operator is used to decrease the original value of the operand by 1 after assigning to the expression. Listen carefully. Original value of the operand by 1 after assigning it to the expression. You will see the syntax right now. Syntax will be like this. B is equal to A minus minus. In the above syntax, the value of the operand is assigned to the value B, and then the value of A is decreased by 1. This means the value of A is assigned to B, then the value of A is going to decrease by 1. Okay. To understand it, we will go for example program. I think it is example 4. Program to use the post decrement operator in C. Program to use the post decrement operator in C. Now let's the preprocessor directive hash include stdio.h int main. I am going to use the 6 variables x, y, z, a, b, c. Okay. Printf. I am going to take input from user. Input the value of x. Scanf percentage t comma and x. Printf input the value of y, scanf percentage t comma and y, like this for z also. Printf input the value of z, scanf percentage t comma and z. Then I'm going to use the operator. A is equal to x minus minus, b is equal to y minus minus, c is equal to z minus minus. Okay, then I'm going to print the values. I'll change the color of the pen to blue. Okay, printf the original value of printf the updated value of x is percentage d comma printf the updated value of y is percentage d comma y. Printf the updated value z is percentage d comma z. Return 0. We'll see the output now. The output will be like this. Input the value of x, input the value of y, input the value z. I am putting the value 6, 12 and 18. Then it is going to show the output as the updated value of x is 5, the updated value of y is 11, the updated value of z is 70. Got it? Till now we have completed the increment and decrement operators. Then one last topic, that is before ending this we will see the differences of increment operator and decrement operator. Differences. First of all, I will do the increment operator, then decrement operator. It is used to increment the value of variable by 1 in increment operator. In decrement operator, it is used to decrease the operand value by 1. In increment operator, the increment operator is represented as the double plus plus. In decrement operator, the decrement operator is represented as the double minus minus. It has two types, pre-increment and post-increment. It also has two types, pre-decrement, post-decrement. In pre-increment operator means the value of the operator is incremented first and then used in the expression. The post-increment operator means the operand is first used in the expression and then performs the increment operation to the original value by 1. In pre-decrement means the value of the operator is decreased first and then assigned to the expression, whereas the post-decrement operator means the operand is first used in the expression and then performs the decrement operation to operand's original value by 1. Syntax will be plus plus a plus plus for increment operator, minus minus a and a minus minus plus for decrement operator. Both operators work on the single operand, not values. Understood? Till now we have completed the increment and decrement operators. Now we will go for bitwise operators. Bitwise operators in C. Bitwise operators in C programming. In the arithmetic logic unit, mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are done in bit level. To perform bit level operations in C programming, bitwise operations are used. These are bitwise AND, OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, left shift, as well as right shift. This is called bitwise, and this is bitwise or this is bitwise XOR. This is bitwise complement. This is shift left. This is shift right. We will see the bitwise AND operator, the bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise complement, shift right, shift left in detail. Okay, bitwise AND operator, bitwise AND operator. Symbol will be okay. The output of bitwise AND is 1 if the corresponding bits of two operands is 1. Understood? If the either bit of an operand is 0, the result of the corresponding bit level is equal to 0. In the C programming, the bitwise AND operator is denoted by this symbol. Let us suppose the bitwise AND operation of two integers 12 as well as 25. The binary number of this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. The binary number of this one is 1, 1, 0, 0. We are going to add two numbers 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. We will perform the bitwise AND. We will be getting the answer as AND means 0, 0. Put this pen. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. We have to convert this into decimal form. After transforming 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1, 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, which means 8. 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. The value is 8. The bitwise operation between 12 and 15 is 8. We will see an program. Example 5. Hash include stdio.h. We will be using the main function. By default, we are giving the value a is equal to 12 as well as b is equal to 25. We are going to use the printf function. Output is equal to %d, comma a and b. This is the operation we are using. Okay. Return 0. The output will be like this. Output is 8. Now we have completed bitwise AND operator. Now we will go for bitwise OR. The output of bitwise OR is 1 if at least one corresponding bit of two operand is 1. Understood? In C programming, bitwise OR operator is denoted by pipe symbol. Understood? We will be taking the same values 12 and 25. We actually know the binary number of this one also. We will be doing the binary operation 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. We will be getting 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. If we convert this, we will get 29 as decimal form. We will see the example program for bitwise OR. Hash include stdio.h, int main, int a is equal to 12, b is equal to 25. By default, we are giving the values. Printf output is %d, comma a or b. Return. Okay, the output will be like this. is 29. So now we have completed the two operators. Now we will look for third operator, that is jar. This is called jar operator. The result of bitwise jar operator is 1 if the corresponding bits of two operands are opposite. Understood? We'll be taking the 12 as well as 25. The binary number is 0 1 1 0 0, and for this 1 1 0 0 1. We'll perform. Here we are observing this. These are opposite. 0 1 1 are opposite, so we will be getting 1. 0 0 are same, so we will be getting 0. Opposite 1. 1 1 same, so 0. 0 1 opposite, so 1. If you convert this into decimal form, you will get 21 as answer. This means the jar operator between 12 and 25 is 21. Okay, which is the example program for jar. Hash include stdio.h, change the color, and main and a is equal to 12, comma b is equal to 25. Printf output is equal to %d, comma a or XOR b. Return 0. Okay, the output will be 21. Okay, we completed the three operators. We will go for fourth operator, that is bitwise complement operator. Bitwise complement operator is like this. Observe this. Bitwise complement operator is a unary operator. It changes 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay, it is simple, right? 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. If you take the example as 35, we will be getting 1 0 0 0 1 1 in binary. If you use the complement operator, we will be getting 0 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is the negation operator. Then we will go for next operator, shift operators, right shift and left shift. We will go for right shift first. It is like this. Right shift operator shifts all bits towards right by a certain number of specified bits, denoted by right shift, like this. 2 1 2. Take example as 2 1 2. It has its binary number is 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. If 2 1 is shifted by 2 units by using the right shift operator, then it will be 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Understood? It's going to shift the value. It's going to shift the 2 units from right side. Okay, like this. Left shift operator shifts all bits towards left side by a certain number of specific bits. The bit position that have been vacated by left shift operator are filled with zeros. It is important, right? The bit position that have been vacated by the left shift operator are filled with zeros. Okay, for left shift we will see 2 1 2 left shift. We will be having left shift by 1. We will get the answer as 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Okay. These are the operators. Thank you.